Hello, I am Jonathan Crook, Print Technical Consultant for HP. In this training video, I will quickly show you how to use Job Preview in the FutureSmart 4 or 5 firmware platform on our enterprise class devices. Depending on your model and firmware level, some features or buttons may not be available. Today I am using an enterprise class 6 series device with flow features. Job Preview is available on most applications in the firmware that allow you to scan the images. Copy, scan to email, scan to folder, USB, and so on. An indicator of Job Preview is when you go into an application, on the right-hand side, it's going to say Touch to Preview and Edit. This will inform you that you have the ability to use Job Preview in the application that you're trying to do. To start this process, just touch the screen and the machine itself will start scanning the originals out of the feeder, or if you started off on the glass, you'll start scanning by scanning the image on the glass. Job Preview allows you to add additional pages and switch between the feeder and glass, because if you've got originals that may not feed through the feeder, that's important. From here, in the middle of the screen, you can touch that rectangular icon to expand out the window, and the upper right-hand corner allows you to turn on thumbnails. To add more originals to this document, either put it on the glass or load the feeder. On the lower right-hand corner, you're going to see an icon with 2 pages with a plus. When you click on that, it's going to ask you what the original size is, any size, because the machine will auto-detect, and just click Scan. It will then start scanning and adding more additional pages to the document, as you see here. In the thumbnail view, there are quite a few options you can do here. One of the easiest ones is to say, I don't need this page. You can highlight the page by clicking on it, and on the right-hand side, you see there's a trash can icon. When you click on the trash can icon, it asks you, do you want to remove the page? And I can say yes. I can also say, you know what? This page I need to move. And there's 2 ways to do that. One of the ways is on the right-hand side, you see buttons that have a left arrow and a right arrow. This allows you to just click on them and reorder the image right there on the screen. The other way is similar to your phone or tablet, where if you click and hold on the page, you can actually drag it with your finger directly on the panel to where you want that page to go. This allows you to reorder images as needed before you continue on the application. It also has the ability of allowing you to select multiple pages. So you can select multiple pages to delete, multiple pages to move around, which can be very useful when you're editing. Now, again, depending on which model, make, and firmware version you have, Job Preview might have additional functions available to you. One of the additional functions is the editing, which is on the lower right-hand side there with the pen icon with the red, black, and yellow lines. When you click on that, it brings up a tool set and shows you a larger image of the page that you have highlighted. In this case here, I've got my usage page for my 6 series. The pins in the middle of the screen at the bottom are black, blue, and red pins. This allows you to come in here and mark up different aspects of the page with pen colors. It could be circling, underlining, signing your name somewhere. You also have a black redaction, which can be very useful in the legal field. There's also a white redaction. So I can come in here and redact something with white. I can click the hand icon and then scroll through the page. And then the last one is a highlighter. So I can come in here and highlight information. When I'm done editing this page, I click on the blue checkbox on the lower right-hand corner. And now you can see there that I have an edited page ready to go, and I can turn off the thumbnails to get a closer view of what I've just done. This is just a sampling of what Job Preview can give you. I hope this has been informative for you. Have a great day.